all, I am Monica. Today, chapter 17 is about flowchart case studies. What we are covering in this chapter: flowchart case studies, flowchart ideas, flowchart case studies, flowchart ideas for your business, how flowcharts can be used in making decisions and to optimize the current business processes. Flowcharting is all about drawing simple and easy to understand diagrams illustrating the logical sequence in a process. Flowcharts help you to communicate and document how process work, and mapping out the logical steps in a process also helps you to figure out ways to improve the process. The creative flowchart idea will help you get started with flowcharts. Banking teller flowchart. A banking teller process flow, process analysis of a bank teller. Most of us are familiar with bank tellers, so we will use that as our first flowchart idea. Processes and decision points are shown in separate colors, so it will be easier to understand the diagram. Recruitment process flowchart. A flowchart or recruitment and selection process, also called a recruitment workflow, is a diagram that maps out the sequence of recruiting. The flowchart uses symbols and arrows to show you what to do in each steps in the recruitment process, starting with the receiving a job order and ending with the onboarding the candidate. Credit card transaction flowchart. This is a flowchart with swim lanes. Credit card payment process flowchart. Swim lanes highlight the various roles responsible for the credit card transaction process. Understanding Creately. This is a flowchart about Creately. Creately is a visual workspace for brainstorming, planning, executing, and analyzing around projects. Creately is trusted by over 5 billion users and is used by leading organizations including Netflix, Amazon, NASA, Disney, and PayPal. University admission process. University admission data flow diagram. University admission or college admission is the process through which colleges enter tertiary education at universities and colleges. Systems vary widely from country to country and sometimes from institution to institution. Purchase order process. This is a flowchart of business process management. The purchase order process is the journey of a purchase order PO from creation through purchase order approval, dispatch, delivery, invoicing, and closure. A purchase order outlines the required items, the agreed upon price, delivery expectations, and payments terms. Flowchart on social media. The process involved in social media interaction. Creately's customer support process. This is a flowchart of Creately support process. Customer support is a range of customer services to assist customer in making cost-effective and correct use of product. It includes assistance in planning, installation, training, troubleshooting, maintenance, upgrading, and disposal of a product. Video uploading process. Thinking of uploading a video could be a pain, but the whole process looks extremely easy through this simple flowchart. Here is the flowchart representation of video upload process. After sales service process. This is a flowchart representation of repair service swim lane. After sales service is any support provided to a customer after the product or service has already been purchased. Companies use after sales support as a business strategy as it typically leads to higher customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and even word of mouth marketing. End of chapter 17. Thank you.